To perform a measurement, freeze the image first, and then tap on the calculation icon to initiate. Next, you can select the measurements you want to complete from a list on the right-hand side of your touchscreen. In this case, I will measure a lever length. Tap on the screen and use the finger to move your measure point. There is a small zoom area on the left side of the screen for precisely locating the measure point. Drag the cursor to desired position and then tap to set. Drag to move the next point, then tap to set. Measurement result displays at the upper left corner of the screen. You can also tap and drag the list to the location you prefer. If you have done multiple measurements, you can choose to hide or show the remaining measurements by tapping this arrow. The whole process can also be completed by using the control panel. Press Set to select the measurement item and set the measurement point, and use the trackball to move the cursor. To view the measurements taken in your worksheet, tap on the review icon on the left side of your touchscreen. Access the report, select the worksheet, and see all the measurements you have done. Or you can directly enter the report surface to view all measurements. If you want to add measurement items to a package, you can enter the settings, tap on Measure, and set all the following items. If you want to add a group, tap the Add Group icon, type in the group name, and put the measures you wish to have in the group. You can also create a new measurement or calculation by tapping New. You can also have more settings for the measurements in the advanced menu. To add an annotation, tap the ABC icon on the lower right of your touchscreen. Choose Comments from the Annotation menu, or tap the keyboard that populates upon selecting words. You can also tap the keyboard directly on the right side of your screen to manually input comments. The annotation language and font size can also be chosen here. If you want to create your selections, tap on Setup and type in a new comment. After everything is done, you can drag the annotation to the target. To add an arrow, select the arrow tab you want and tap Create Arrow to bring it to the image. You can delete the most recent annotation you added by short tapping the clear icon. Or you can clear the entire screen by long tapping the clear icon. Tap the body mark on the lower right of the touchscreen. It shows different body marks depending on preset you chose. Tap the body mark you want and move the probe location by dragging it or using the trackball. Rotate it to an appropriate position with your finger, trackball, or angle button. Press Set to confirm, and the body mark will be shown at the bottom left of the screen. Tap the mark, and you can change the display position of it at any corner of the image.